excited that you've painted, but that's strong, isn't it? Oh,
I've made you a little presentation.
I like it.
It's very impressive.
We wanted to show you what we were trying to create and why we wanted to have our buyer want this guest bedroom as much as everywhere else in the house.
And this is amazing, to actually see so many pieces and such a great vision.
It's beautiful. It's so opulent and luxe and high-end.
We wanted to create both a luxurious and a relaxing bedroom. We've got a 3-metre custom-made velvet bed head.
How much was that?
$2,500.
What's that?
That's my budget. So, well, off the spreadsheet.
On a bit of form ply on the floor.
Well, I wanted to show you the...
That's how she rolls, Scotty. That's how she rolls.
Do you know how much you spent on your bathroom?
Yep.
That's impossible, because I don't know how much you spent.
Why?
Because you haven't got one invoice in yet.
So, yes, we're not very good at budgeting.
We just always go cheapest as, and we know that we'll be all right at the end of the week normally.
Where are you doing this work on your budget? Because
on my iPad.
I went down to your room earlier, and it looks like my daughter and her 4 mates live there.
People like Picasso and all those people, I think they lived in squalor. But their paintings are marvellous. I don't think that someone from the painting shop went, Picasso, your paints are everywhere. You're a disgrace. Don't want your paintings.
This is totally unacceptable.
It is,
when
I
it comes to
agree.
budgeting, right?
Yeah.
You guys, today, need to go across the road to Suncorp.
Yeah.
Sarah will be there. She's going to help you in the block shop.
Okay.
And you're going to do your budget. And
right.
you're going to get it sorted. And it's going to happen today.
Yes.
And I'm also going to play mother here and say, tidy your room.
You can't blame me on that,
2 days
babe.
ago she was going to do that.
I told her, Scotty, I told her once, I told her twice. Heard that room better be clean or there's going to be big trouble. I can't believe it. Scotty, oh, I know. Can you believe her?